अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, टुडे विद एनके के साथ मैं हूँ नकीबुल्लाह खालिद। नाज़रीन, आज के प्रोग्राम में हम बात कर रहे हैं मुल्क के मौजूदा कवानीन के हवाले से। इस वक्त मैं मजीद ला चैम्बर में मौजूद हूँ और हमारे साथ आज के प्रोग्राम में मेहमान है अब्दुल मजीद खान काकड़ साहब। अब्दुल मजीद खान काकड़ साहब सुप्रीम कोर्ट के एडवोकेट है और इसके साथ साथ यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लॉ कॉलेज कोयटा LLM स्कॉलर्स को और जुडिशल अकेडमी में जुडिशल अफसरान को एजाज़ी लेक्चर्स दे रहे हैं। तो आया मिलकर आज के टॉपिक के हवाले से अब्दुल मजीद खान काकड़ साहब से बात करेंगे। Mr. Majid Kakar, welcome to Today with NK. What do you think the present laws which are being applied in the courts of law can meet the need of present era?
Well, you know, in our judicial system of the country, the old laws are being applied over the years for the dispensation of justice and resolution of disputes, issues, and problems. Actually, some of the laws do not meet the need of present era, so do not fulfill the requirements of today. So therefore, they are required, I mean some of the laws to be revisited. Look, we are living in the era of internet. This is the time of information revolution and this is the time of digitization, and if we want to fulfill the dream of digital Pakistan, then it is extremely important for us to introduce all the scientific development and all the technological advancement whatsoever in all field of life in general and in the field of law in particular, since it is the law which regulates the every aspect of society, so that the public may get innovative solution to their problems and get justice in accordance with the new latest laws in the country, and so that we can travel and we can go side by side, at least in the field of law, with the developed countries and with the advanced countries of the world, side by side. And it is not difficult, it is not impossible, it can be done.
So who and how it can be done?
It is the government. If the government ensures the connectivity, accessibility, availability and the affordability of all these technologies in the judicial system of the country, and furthermore, if it takes the judiciary and the bar bodies on board, if they all come on one page and start taking steps, serious steps in this connection, then the judicial system of the country can become much more better.
So
and it can become more effective, constructive and productive, and even it can excel. Thank you so much.